The internet is ripe for the taking. Look at the business solutions that Onpassive has coming under its roof. More state-of-the-art products, powered by artificial intelligence and machine learning than any other company. Each product designed by Onpassive could be a standalone multi-billion-dollar business. That does not seem fair. What Onpassive is doing with technology is crazy brilliant. Each day that arrives is loaded with value that does not stop there. Are you beginning to see just how Onpassive is going to dominate the internet? Each Onpassive product could be a separate company, and yet all Onpassive's products are under one roof. Onpassive will establish success on the internet. No one will fear using the internet because the customers will be using Onpassive's products. That is exhilarating. The sweet smell of success for the users. Mr. Mufare and his technical staff are waiting at just the right time to unleash this giant call Onpassive. Mr. Mufare is monitoring how and when to release not all Onpassive products, but one at a time. He is making sure that each product is tested by Onpassive's gifted technology staff to make sure that every product performs flawlessly. That is what is called genius. Each product released will be better with great value and power packed with user-friendly features. As an example, O-Trim is a product that is given away to new customers who register with Onpassive. The email platform is another gift that Onpassive has for all new users who register with Onpassive. There's one more gift, and that is a social media platform called Onet. Those gifts are billion-dollar niches being given away. Onpassive's effect on businesses will be felt online as well as offline. We will be remiss if we don't tell you that before the end of this month, OConnect, which is the most advanced video conferencing platform ever, will launch and go viral. A complete takeover. How will Onpassive do this? Data centers built by Onpassive to store sensitive data without having to outsource that data. The new data center will be encryption on steroids. Presently, Onpassive has a small data center, but it has outgrown that data center because of the exponential growth that Onpassive is having. The present data center can hold 1 billion users, which is impressive, but not enough for Onpassive's growth. What is Mr. Ash Mufara and his technology doing about this? Glad you ask. Onpassive will have a new data center 10 times bigger than what it has now. That mega data center will be ready in early 2024. A company with complete control of its data controls its own destiny. In addition to that, Onpassive will have its own pay processors and banking systems very soon. Mr. Ash Mufare has dedicated his life to making sure that Onpassive is here to stay. When Onpassive gets these things done, it never has to outsource anything. What else is left? Control of the internet.